There's a lot of companies that make machines out there. The Italians, there's even American built machines, but we definitely prefer by far the series of equipment that Stiles has to offer. Because we're not just looking for a machine that's cheap so we can have a very low margin and beat out our competition because we barely spend any money on our equipment or our software. We actually want a precision machine that lasts a long time. With the track record they've had in the past, we don't see any reason why we'd ever go anywhere else.
We have a very close relationship with Stiles sales people, and this relationship has gone well beyond just a salesperson trying to sell machinery. They have become almost members of our family, and we in turn maybe have come to be some sort of family member of Stiles.